In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run code in Notion. If you're an avid Notion user, you might find it helpful to know how to integrate code snippets directly into your workspace, whether for personal planning, project management, or collaborative documentation. Incorporating code can enhance your productivity and organization. Let's dive into the process and get coding in Notion. First, you'll want to head over to your Notion workspace. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Notion website. This workspace is where you can manage your wiki, documents, and projects, keeping everything centralized and accessible. Make sure that you're familiar with the space structure, as this will help you locate where you'd like to add your code snippets. Once you're on the Notion website, the next step is to log into your account. Just click on the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by signing up. Logging in gives you access to your personalized workspace and any pages you've been working on. If you're a frequent Notion user, you'll likely be familiar with this step, but it's essential for newcomers to get comfortable with the login process. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Notion homepage. This is your main dashboard, where you'll find all your pages and projects neatly organized. Spend a moment reviewing your dashboard. It'll help you decide which page you want to work on. From here, you can easily access any existing pages or start brand new ones based on your needs. Once you're oriented, it's time to select a specific page. Click on the page where you want to insert code. If you're starting from scratch, feel free to create a new page and title it appropriately. Perhaps something related to the project or snippet you're adding. This is where you'll eventually enter your code. Keeping your pages well named and organized will save you time in the long run. Now, to add your code snippet, simply type in the command /code. This will allow you to select the code block option. A code block is a formatted section within a page that lets you insert code with proper syntax highlighting. After entering code, a menu should appear. Choose the code option from this menu. This creates a new code block, ready for you to input your code. Once your code block is ready, you can start typing or pasting your code into the designated area. Notion's code block supports a variety of programming languages. So regardless if your code is in Python, JavaScript, or another language, it's likely supported. With these steps, you can incorporate simple code snippets right into your Notion workflow for easy reference and collaboration. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to run code in Notion. This feature is not only handy, but also a great way to make your notes and projects more dynamic. Happy coding! And keep exploring the myriad ways Notion can streamline your work and projects.